In your printing house, you use a lot of different machines for cutting, slitting, creasing and folding. The paper is carried back and forth several times a day. If you want to swap from business cards to greeting cards, all machines have to be readjusted by hand. All that costs your staff a lot of time and costs you a lot of money. And if you ever need to perforate something, you most likely outsource it. That way, production takes even longer, your deliveries are delayed, and your customers are left dissatisfied. Wouldn't it be way easier to have all these functions in just one machine? We are Multigraf, and with our CPC375 XPRO, we have created just that. In one single step, your paper is cut, slitted, creased, perforated, and even folded. No more running between machines. You can work more efficiently and don't have to waste time adjusting your tools. With 40 years experience in the printing industry, our Swiss engineers created the CPC375 XPRO as a powerhouse for your finishing process. If you're interested in your own machine, contact us on our website.